Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: holistic remedies for acid reflux. If you've ever experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest or throat, commonly known as heartburn, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore natural and holistic remedies that can help you say goodbye to heartburn once and for all. First, let's understand what causes acid reflux. Acid reflux occurs when the stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, causing irritation and that unpleasant burning sensation. It can be triggered by various factors such as certain foods, lifestyle habits, and even stress. Let's dive into holistic remedies that can provide relief and support your digestive health. 1. Watch your diet. Avoid trigger foods such as spicy, fatty, and acidic foods, as they can aggravate acid reflux symptoms. Instead, opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. 2. Eat smaller, more frequent meals. Overeating can put pressure on the stomach, increasing the likelihood of acid reflux. By consuming smaller portions throughout the day, you can promote better digestion and reduce the occurrence of heartburn. 3. Chew your food thoroughly. Taking the time to chew your food properly allows for better digestion and reduces the risk of acid reflux. Enjoy each bite mindfully and savor the flavors. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps maintain proper digestion and can ease symptoms of acid reflux. Aim to drink water between meals rather than during meals to avoid diluting stomach acid. 5. Incorporate herbal remedies. Certain herbs like ginger, chamomile, and licorice root have soothing properties that can help calm the digestive system and reduce acid reflux symptoms. Consult with a healthcare professional before trying herbal remedies, especially if you have any underlying conditions or are on medication. 6. Manage stress. Stress can exacerbate acid reflux symptoms. Try stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises. Engage in activities you enjoy to promote relaxation and balance in your life. 7. Elevate the head of your bed. By raising the head of your bed a few inches, gravity can help prevent stomach acid from flowing back into the esophagus during sleep. This can provide relief from nighttime acid reflux symptoms. 8. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking and alcohol can weaken the lower esophageal sphincter, allowing stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol intake can significantly improve acid reflux symptoms. 9. Practice mindful eating. Slow down, enjoy your meals, and listen to your body's signals of fullness. Avoid eating too close to bedtime to allow your stomach time to digest before lying down. 10. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can put pressure on the abdomen, increasing the likelihood of acid reflux. By adopting a balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activity, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight, reducing the frequency of heartburn. These holistic remedies can be powerful tools in managing acid reflux and saying goodbye to heartburn. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing persistent symptoms or if your condition worsens.